If you do not want to go for expensive surgical treatments, then continue watching to discover some natural cures to get rid of snoring. Be picky when it comes to what you eat at dinner. Some food items such as dairy products tend to produce mucus, which clogs either your throat or nasal cavity. So as much as possible, do not eat a heavy meal during dinner. Avoid excessive alcohol intake. Normally, when we sleep, our muscles tend to be relaxed, but if you drink alcohol, the relaxation that your muscles feel is a lot more than the usual, causing snoring or sometimes, in worse cases, this will cause sleep apnea. Lose excess fats. Snoring is oftentimes associated with large people or those who are suffering from obesity. The reason behind this is that the throat and the breathing airway are clogged with excess fats. This clogging results to a narrow air passageway, which eventually leads you to snore. Stop smoking.
There are two things that smoking does to you in relation to snoring. First, it relaxes the muscles in your throat. Second, it causes congestion in your nasal cavity. The more you smoke, the narrower your passageway becomes and the louder your snores will be.
Sleep on your side, or use special kinds of pillows. When you don't sleep in the right position, your airways get blocked. Experts suggest that you sleep on your side to clear out any obstruction in your throat. Also, you might want to get a special type of pillow that can give you the elevation that you need. These pillows vary in brands, but the most popular types include contoured and latex foam pillows. Use Stop Snoring exercise program. You can use 7 stop snoring exercises to open up your airway. If you can clear your airway blockage, then you can stop your snoring problem.
Get your free report on how to clear your airway blockage by using the 7 stop snoring exercises now. Please click on the blue link below.